Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we are going to be unboxing this thing here. Let's go! Alright folks, let's unbox this Reflect Mini NC earbuds from JBL. Oh, this is quite exciting. Got this for free, but let's look at the box first. So as you can see, this is JBL Reflect Mini NC. True wireless, active noise cancelling, and also waterproof. It has the IPX7 rating with active noise cancellation. Of course, it's connected by Bluetooth. And then 7 hours of playback plus 14 hours extra battery in the power case. Of course, we look at the side. It looks like a hardcover book with this guy looking all confident there. Dare to listen, yeah, whatever. And then a whole bunch of other marketing stuff behind here. Yeah, and then it's compatible with Google Assistant and also the Alexa, if you have that. It's also showing all the accessories. The box is very solid, has a very quality feel about it. And this is the earbuds itself. Let's open a bit. There's a magnet here that's holding the box. And here's another clear picture of the guy. He resembles the Formula 1 racer, Jensen Button. I'm not sure if you guys know who that person is, but yes, he resembles that guy. And then I'm not sure why it's showing the earbuds here as well. Yeah, it's showing you how to actually insert the earbuds so that you get the perfect fit. Alright, let's just open it. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh, let's just peel this open. Strong. Nice. And then we have access to all the stuff that we want to look at. So this is the okay, let's just look at the power box here. I think there's an indicator light in front, USB charging here. Let's just open it. Okay, you can see there, it's quite simple design. I'm not sure what, I think the middle part is for the thing that looks like the horns. Feels pretty nice. It is plastic obviously, but it does feel nice. Inside here looks pretty nice. Yep, awesome. Moving on to the earbuds itself. Let's just pull this sucker out. Okay, 1, 2. Alright, okay, as you can see, looks pretty nice. There's a nice build to it. I'm not sure if it's big or not. Looks a bit bigger than my, let me go and have a look at. Let's compare with the Base's earbuds. So it seems that vertically this is bigger, but horizontally this is slightly bigger. Or is it the same size? Looks like it's the same size. From the side, I think this is a little bit thicker, but not by much. Alright, let's just put that back in. I think this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side based on the horns here. I call it the horns. I'm not sure what it's called, so just bear with me. Alright, looking good, looking solid, feeling solid as well. Let's try to put it inside the housing here. Oh, and also the housing has like locking hinge, you see? Yep, very nice. So let's just try to put it. Okay, like that. Nice. Magnetically attach itself. The other one, very nice. So there's that light here. I think it's charging. When the light is there, it means it's charging, so it works. Very nice. Right, what else do we have in the box? Let's see. Oh man, this is a pretty chunky box we have here. We'll open it from the side. Yes, so we got some, we have the USB Type-C charging cable, and then we have a bunch of manuals here, blah blah blah. Yep, more manuals, which I probably read if I am stuck. Do we have anything else? The, we call that the earbuds. And also, what is this? Oh, they have the replacement ear horns as well for smaller ears, I guess. That's nice. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. So you have large, what you call that, earbuds, and then you have the large horns and also the small horns and also the small earbuds. Yep, that's all you get, folks. Let's just put it back in before I lose it. Oh man, it goes everywhere. Look at that guy, all confident. Okay guys, I think that's it for unboxing. I'm probably gonna use this for 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll record the review. Click like, support the channel by subscribing, and hit the bell icon. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.